In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change menu font size on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin, which file to open, and where to place a small snippet so your menu text appears larger or smaller across your store. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Online Store. This opens the section that controls how your storefront looks and behaves. Within Online Store, go to Themes. Here you'll see your current theme at the top, which is the one your customers are seeing live. On your current theme, look for the three dots menu, sometimes called More Options. Click that to reveal additional actions. From that menu, choose Edit Code. This opens the Theme Code Editor, where you can make precise changes to the files that power your store's appearance. A quick note before you continue. Editing code affects your live theme, so move carefully and only paste code you trust. In the File sidebar, find the Layout folder and open it. Inside, click the file named Theme Liquid. This is the main layout wrapper for your storefront. Once the file opens, scroll all the way to the bottom of the code. You're looking for the closing body tag. You'll be adding your custom styling just above that line, so it loads on every page. Now paste your code into the theme.liquid file above the closing body tag. For adjusting your menu font size, this typically means adding a small style block that targets your navigation menu links and sets a new font size value, such as 16px, 18px, or whatever fits your design best. The exact selector can vary by theme, so make sure your CSS targets the elements that render your main navigation. If you don't see a change after saving, it likely means you need to adjust the selector to match your theme's menu structure. When you've added your styling, click Save. After saving, preview your store to confirm the menu text reflects the new size. If the change isn't visible right away, try refreshing the preview, checking that your code sits above the closing body tag, and verifying that your CSS targets the correct menu elements. Also remember that different devices scale text differently, so it's a good idea to test on desktop and mobile to ensure the font size remains readable and on brand. That's it. You've navigated to your theme, opened the correct file, inserted the style where it belongs, and saved your changes to update the menu font size on Shopify.